Hello guys, today we are going to learn about active components and devices. First question arises, what is an active component or what is active devices? First is, what is component? A single unit called component, like one resistor, one capacitor, or one inductor, one LED. If we are taking a single unit, that's called component. And if we are combining active components and passive components on a single board for a single purpose, that's called devices. And then what is a active component? Active component are electronics devices that can control the flow of electricity. They require a power source to operate and can amplify, switch or generate electrical signal. Some common active components include transistor, operational amplifier, diode, integrated IC, and thermistor. These components are crucial in various electronics devices such as amplifier, computer, mobile phones, and many other modern gadgets, enabling them to perform a wide range of functions in circuits and systems. That's called active component. First is LED. LED is also an active component. LEDs stand for light emitting diode. It's a semiconductor device that emits light when electric current passes through it. LED are energy efficient, durable, and come in various color and sizes. We use LED in lighting display like TV, monitor, and we are used in as an indicator in automotive lighting and in numerous consumers. And LED are low cost and efficient, and it's also better than traditional bulbs. Because of that, we commonly use LED. LED is an active component. Next is transistor. What is transistor? A transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify or switch electronic signal and electrical power. It's a fundamental building block of modern electronic. Transistor comes in various types like bipolar junction transistor, that's also called in short BJT, and field effect transistor, that's called FET. They enable control of the flow of current in a circuit and are crucial in applications such as amplifier, digital logic circuit, radios, computer, and many more. And there is a wide range of application of transistor. Our next active component is diode. What is a diode? A diode is a semiconductor device that allows current to flow in one direction while blocking it in the opposite direction. It has two terminals, an anode where current enter and cathode where current exit. Diodes are fundamental component in electronic commonly used to convert AC to DC, protect circuit from reverse polarity, rectify signals, and regulate voltage in various electronic devices like power supplies, radios, and digital circuit. There is a various type of diode, Jenner diode, Shockley diode. There is so many types of diode which we'll learn in this course. And our next active component, and which is very important, that's called IC, stand for integrated circuit. What is IC? An integrated circuit is a electronic circuit consisting of interconnected semiconductor components such as transistor, resistor, capacitor, and diode. What is a IC? IC stand for integrated circuit, and IC are tiny electronic circuit packed on a small chip. They contain multiple components like transistor, resistor, and capacitor. IC power our electronic devices, making them smaller, faster, and more efficient. Hope you have seen this. They are being used in computer, smartphones, medical devices, communication system, and nearly all electronics devices, enhancing efficiency, performance, and functionality while reducing size and power consumption. Our next active component is voltage regulator. What is voltage regulator? A voltage regulator is an electronic device that maintains a constant voltage level in an electrical circuit. It ensures a steady and stable output voltage, regardless of fluctuation in input voltage or change in load condition. Or voltage regulator are crucial in powering electronic devices reliably, preventing damage from overloading and ensuring constant performance. This is I hope you have seen this in your charger circuitry. This is your charger circuitry. There are multiple type of. There is numerous type of active component like operational amplifier, microcontroller, digital signal processor, analog to digital converter to digital to analog converter, thermistor, logic gate like AND or NOT, NAND, NOR, XOR. There is various type of sensors in the market. These all are the active component, and you can go through and you can check one by one. In next lecture, we will learn about passive components. Thank you.